Welcome to geometry. Today, we are going to learn how to name planes using 3 non-collinear points. This is a fundamental concept for understanding space and dimensions. First, what exactly is a plane? Imagine a flat surface that extends forever in all directions. It has length and width, but no thickness or depth. In diagrams, we usually represent it as a four-sided shape like a parallelogram, but remember, in reality, it never ends. A plane contains an infinite number of points. To identify a specific plane, we need to pick out certain points that act like an address. Think of these points as landmarks on a map. Before we name the plane, we must understand two terms. Collinear points lie on the same straight line. Non-collinear points do not lie on the same line, they form a triangle shape. This distinction is crucial. Here is the golden rule. Any 3 non-collinear points determine exactly one plane. If you have 3 points that aren't in a straight line, only one flat sheet can pass through all of them. This is why a 3-legged stool never wobbles. The first way to name a plane is by using 3 non-collinear points contained within it. For example, if we have points A, B, and C, we can call it plane ABC. The order of the letters does not matter, so plane CBA is also correct. Why do we insist on non-collinear points? If the points were in a straight line, like the spine of a book, an infinite number of planes could pass through them, just like the pages of a book. Non-collinear points lock the plane in place. There is a second, simpler way. Sometimes, a plane is labeled with a single uppercase script letter placed in a corner. For instance, this is plane R. Notice that this letter does not have a dot next to it because it labels the surface, not a specific point. Let's practice. Look at this diagram. We can name this plane using the 3 points as plane DEF. Alternatively, using the script letter in the corner, we can simply call it plane Q. To wrap up, remember that you can name a plane using 3 non-collinear points or a single script letter. Always check if your points are in a straight line before using them to name the plane.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.